Hi, I'm Yolmer from UAV Log. Welcome to this video tutorial. On this tutorial I'll show you how to sign up and set up your account at UAV Log. Signing up to and setting up an account at UAV Log is really simple. Go to uavlog.nl and you'll see the following website. To get started, simply push the button Get Started and you'll see the sign up form. After filling in all the necessary details, including the little CAPTCHA challenge here, you simply click the button Sign Up, which will bring you to the next confirmation screen. After that, go to your email box and you'll notice that you received the first email of UAV Log. It's important to confirm your registration with UAV Log within 3 minutes of the first step. After this step, your account is added to the system. After that, go back to your email and you'll notice that you received a second email from UAV Log containing your account information. After that, you can close all the confirmation screens and your email client and use your account information to log into UAV Log for the first time. When you're logged into UAV Log for the very first time, it's important to continue the registration by clicking Account and Settings and to fill in as much information as possible. From all the information within your account, the most important one to set up correctly is your country and also to define your time zone. Besides those two, it's important to set up which date format you would like to use in your flight logs and also your time format. Once you're done adding all the information and setting up your account properly, you hit the button Save. And after that, you're done setting up your account properly. Now you can use UAV Log. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful and interesting, but if you still have questions about UAV Log, then don't hesitate to contact us via the website or the social media. Thanks for watching and until next time.